Welcome back, friends. In this tutorial, you will learn how to insert blank columns after every non-blank columns in Excel. Here I have taken a data of store-wise sales plan for January to December. I need to track here the actual sales beside the planned sales. In this case, how we can quickly insert the blank columns and give column headers. First, below the last row of data, create the serial number. Now, copy the serial numbers and paste beside the last column. Select all the data from first store name till the last serial number created. Click on Data tab, then Sort. Click on Options. Click on Sort left to right. Click OK. In the Sort By, select the row number where there is serial number. Click on OK. Here you see the blank columns have been inserted after every non-blank columns. Now to write column header of actual in all inserted columns, select the column header range. Press Ctrl+G in keyboard. Click on Special, then Blanks. Click OK. This will select the blank cells. Now type Actual. Press Ctrl+Enter key. This serial number row is no longer required. Delete this. Thank you for watching. If you are new here, please subscribe and turn on notifications for more video tutorials. See you in next tutorial.